know what it might be. I have an idea. Awata-taya-taya. Have we got a temporary phone line or what? Right, 07732 060 399. Back on the dial. Temptation. Don't watch the technicals going on. The mic sound. Yeah, look. Yeah, 1, 2, 1.
Okay, boys, you're doing great. You're playing like true champions. Now listen, this is the last and final tune, so we gotta piss like lightning and crack like thunder. Let's get out and show them what the rock's all about. Now let's hit them hard and get back to work.
You have been in tune with Emerson Allen and Rick Mastermark of the Rat Pack. For the third time around, punching your speakers pound for pound. It's part 3, Old School Masters.
Yeah, once again, we got the super loud mic. But if you're out there, you're locked. Big Bad Temptation, back on the dial. 07732 060 399, temporary line. Johnny J on the wheels, doing it good and fucking proper. Yeah, man. Who likes it? Switch. Send out to Terry, out to Shelly. And we're coming through. Don't watch the dodgy sound in a minute. Temptation FM back on. Out to the Haydon Massive, Venomous Guru, catch 'em. Oh, yeah. What's the matter, bro? That sounds like one of the old wirelesses. They're out there. What? So the messages are flying in. We are getting you loud and fucking clear. We're actually getting us loud and clear. Let us know, yeah? It's the big one.
Okay, boys, you're doing great. I'm Joseph,
Okay, boys, you're doing great.
and I'm Joe.
I'm gonna cut you like a fish.
Like thunder. Let's get out there and show them what the Rat Pack's.
Right, 07732 060 399. Does that need relinking? Oh man. Oh man. What's that, brother? I can't hear you, mate. Yeah. I love it. Send that to the Legoland crew. Phone lines popping. Because we had like an unfortunate encounter with police at our new studio. So it's now our old studio. Come down. We're at my house. My mum said it's alright to link up off the roof. I said, sweet mum. I'll do it straight after me roast. Looking for someone to mug because the pub don't pay us enough. Send out to Lady Terry, out to Lady Shelley. I'm going back up on the roof.
Give me the mic. It's all good. No, seriously, we're nearly there. It's Temptation. No. Unstoppable. Johnny, where you gone? Aye. If you know the number, 07732 060 399. Yeah. Yeah! That's 854. No. Johnny G, you sound stoned out your cunt, mate. Lady Lush. The crack buzz.
Yeah, I mean, no, I start climbing on roofs.
As you do. Huh! Huh! Yeah! Huh! 2233 sound. No, we are in the place, man. Representing. We are representing. Where is the rest of the gang? We represented all morning, well, all night to the morning. And now we're representing again. We do love it, don't we? We love it! Out to Ferrari, I bet you're locked in already. Are we just touching things up? He's going back on the roof. 1 minute. Well, they love it, look. Big up Terry and Sherry. You make us laugh. We've had a shit night, need some shit. Now it goes. Give us a bell on that line later, I can sort you out. That is the Domino pizza line. If you need a pizza, let me know. I'll deliver. Yeah, he's up there. Johnny's on the roof. Is it going to be one of them ones, Johnny? No? No? Right, hang on. Hang on, let me find the driver, man. Ah! Still funky, man. Yeah. Yeah. Check. Check, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, check. 1. Whoa. Yeah, check. Alright. Yeah. Just like the Johnny on the block. Is that Johnny? Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah. Check. 1, 2. Yeah. That'll do, man. Fuck that. That sounds alright, Johnny, man. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yeah. I'll leave that like that. Check. 1, 2. Johnny. Hi, man. John. Check. 1. 1. Yeah. Check. Right, that's definitely it, man. That's definitely. I'm leaving it there, Johnny. It's all down to you, brother. 07732 060 399. That is the number. Right. Out to Lady Shell. Out to Terry. It depends what you're after. Like the milk float, man. Sometimes depends what you want. Like. I can go and find it. I can always find things for people. Johnny, hope you're enjoying it out there, brother. It's alright. is where the plastic mic sounds plastic. Check. Yeah. Right, fix it up like that. Yeah. From plastic to normal. Right, we've got messages. Need a good time. Can you find the G-spot, Shell? It's a bit of a funny question, that. What do you mean by that? And this ain't Johnny. Johnny's on the roof. I'm just a delivery man. Text in your requirements and I will deliver it. Even if I have to deliver Johnny, I will deliver him. Just for the massive. Hey, that's my truck. Eric, drop some wood for the fire. Turn that amp down a bit, Johnny. That was nearly a spinning link box kick. Now turn it out a bit. Yeah. What? Hang on. I ain't got a clue. Give it a little.